I'm going to show you guys how to clear the oil maintenance wrench light symbol on your Volkswagen Jetta. Hi, it's Daddy Doug. You probably already knew that.
We did. Of course you did.
I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service wrench light on your dashboard.
You can be on this side.
Right?
Mason, you can be on this side.
And what are you doing? Are you helping?
Helping. Yeah.
All right, here we go. So when you turn the ignition on, you'll see we'll have the flashing oil maintenance light right here for your dashboard. And so to get that off, it's real simple. We're going to be using the 0.0 button on the right side of the dash and then the minute button here on the left side of the dash. With the ignition off, I'm going to go ahead and press in my 0.0, ignition on. And now that I've got that pressed in, all we need to do now is press the minute button, and as you see, the wrench symbol has gone away. Now to check, we're gonna take the key off, ignition off, and turn the car on. Boom, booyah. No more wrench symbol. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Try that again. No more wrench symbol right now. Ignition is off. Put the key in, start it up. Boom, no more wrench symbol. Just like that. Easy peasy?
Yes.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yep. Easy peasy.
Huh?
This guy. There you have it.
That wasn't hard.
Was that hard, E?
No. I turned it off.
Was that hard?
No.
All right, I'm gonna show you how to reset the check engine light. That's not what it is. What is it? It's the... All right, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil service light on your 2009, nope, I don't need to say a year because it could be different years. Right, Mace?
2018. Yeah, I meant it.
It is 2018, but that's not what year this car is. So I'm gonna show you how to reset the wrench light for oil service. The oil service wrench light on your dashboard. Hey, good job.